Go to college, get a degree, you'll be safe. They were wrong. In 2026, the safest jobs aren't in the office anymore. Welcome to Global Money Man. Let's look at the data. If you overlay recent office vacancy rates with corporate spending data, an interesting paradox emerges. Even as the economy recovers, offices remain empty, while corporate profits and hiring numbers are starting to diverge sharply. This isn't just a signal of a temporary recession. It is a structural shift where capital is migrating away from human labor and into infrastructure. If the Industrial Revolution was about optimizing physical labor, the current shift is targeting the most expensive line item, intellectual labor. From a corporate perspective, humans are a high fixed cost and a liability, whereas AI is viewed as a variable tool that can be toggled on demand. In other words, the crisis facing white-collar workers isn't an accident. It is the natural conclusion of a market constantly seeking maximum efficiency. Let's look a bit closer at the data. Looking at the data from major U.S. tech companies driving this market, the direction of capital flow is unmistakable. We are seeing headlines of layoffs simultaneous with record-breaking stock performance. The market is now rewarding efficiency over growth in headcount. Corporations are making a deliberate choice, reallocating resources from traditional payrolls into scalable AI infrastructure. While the speed may vary by region, the fundamental nature of white-collar work is undeniably changing across the board. In the past, value came from knowing how to use tools. Now, we are entering a phase where the tools perform the work themselves. Under this new structure, the labor market is likely to bifurcate into two distinct categories. First, the physical roles that AI cannot easily replicate, and second, the architects who design and command these systems. The roles in the middle, those who simply transfer or organize information, are expected to be absorbed by the system. Ultimately, we must ask ourselves a critical question. Will you remain a component of the system, or will you become the one who operates it? The transition has already begun. In the next video, we will discuss exactly how to prepare for this shift.